Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Fit and Fresh is probably one of the most popular and highly rated lunch boxes on the market, and for good reason. Its innovative design, including leak-proof compartments and durable construction, makes it a top choice for anyone looking to pack healthy and delicious meals on the go, whether you're heading to school, work, the gym, or a picnic in the park. This video will provide a comprehensive review, exploring its features, benefits, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right lunch box for your needs. Number 5. Fit and Fresh Cool Coolers. These aren't your average ice packs. They're flexible, reusable, and perfect for keeping your food and drinks cold all day long. Made from stretchy nylon and eco-friendly gel, they stay flexible even when frozen. Use them again and again. Stack multiple packs for maximum cooling. They directly insulate your food and drinks, keeping them refreshingly cold for hours. Perfect for lunchboxes, coolers, beach bags, or even baby bags. They're great for work lunches, picnics, or day trips. Made with durable, tear-resistant, sweat-proof nylon. Plus, they're BPA-free and easy to clean. Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh are the most trusted reusable ice packs. We offer a variety of sizes, colors, and styles to fit your needs. What we like? It stays flexible when frozen, allowing for direct insulation. It's reusable and long-lasting, perfect for various uses. If you need a versatile ice pack for different bags and uses, this is the one for you. What people say. They stay cold for a good amount of time, and I like that they are flexible so I can wrap them around a drink to keep it cold in a lunchbox. They are easy to use and quick to freeze since they are thin. These freezer packs do just as intended. I use these in my pumping bag and they keep my milk cool all day long until I can get them home. They're cute and stylish. I've even used them to soothe my baby's gums when teething. Very versatile and baby approves. These are perfect size. We use these in our lunchboxes for school and when we pack snacks for parks or road trips. They even come in handy when my boys get hurt. We will put these in a towel and have them hold it on their boo-boos. The quality is great. The size is perfect. It's not too thick and it's not bulky. It's flexible. Love the bright colors as well. Number 4. Fit and Fresh Cheetah Lunch Bag. It's made with durable, easy-to-clean materials outside and a BPA-free interior. The vegan leather handles and smooth zipper add to its quality and convenience. With its large size, it easily fits multiple containers. The wide opening makes it effortless to pack and access your food. This lunch bag is not only stylish but also incredibly versatile. It's perfect for work, but also great for moms as a diaper bag or nursing bag. Keeps your food at the perfect temperature, whether you're at the office, at the gym, or on an outdoor adventure. Enjoy fresh, homemade meals wherever you go. Created by women, for women, it makes a thoughtful gift for moms, sisters, friends, or colleagues. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like? This lunch bag is roomy and has a stylish design. It's made of durable, easy-to-clean materials. If you're looking for a fashionable and practical lunch bag for work or outings, this is a great option. What people say. This is perfect size for my lunch and snacks. The bowls that come with it are perfect and this bag has been very durable and I love the look. I'm a teacher and I bring this bag to work every day. Plenty of room to hold everything. I use the side cup holder for my water or my coffee contained to being to the car. Love the bright color and strap so you can put it on your shoulder. Love that it can fit my lunch container and has plenty of room for other things as well. The water bottle area on the side of the bag fits all my bottles well without losing any space inside the bag. Number 3. Fit and Fresh Lunch Bag. It comes with a 20-ounce tumbler, 2 containers, and long straps for easy carrying. The zipper closure keeps everything secure and stylish. Measuring 14L x 10H x 7W, it's large enough for multiple containers. The stain-resistant material is easy to clean and the wide opening makes it easy to pack. This lunch bag is perfect for work or any outing. It's also great as a diaper bag or nursing bag, keeping your essentials cool and accessible. High-quality thermal insulation keeps your food hot or cold all day long. Enjoy homemade meals wherever you go, whether you're at the gym or on a picnic. Created by women, this bag makes a perfect gift. It blends fashion and function, reflecting our commitment to quality. What we like. It comes with a matching tumbler and containers, offering convenience and style. It's spacious enough for multiple containers. If you prefer a complete lunch set with matching containers and tumbler, this is perfect for you. What people say. It does exactly as you would expect. It looks good and carries the food well. I have used my fresh and fit lunch bag for about a year now. It came with a matching cup and a couple of storage containers. It has a separate compartment to hold the cup on the outside and is very roomy inside. It keeps things really cold and is really durable. Stylish. Quality. Easy to clean. Outside pocket for a bottle is handy. Great bag. Number 2. Fit and Fresh Copley Lunch Kit. It's more than just a lunch bag, it's a fashion statement that keeps your food fresh. This bag is designed to make your lunch break easier and more enjoyable. It comes with a 20 ounces insulated tumbler and containers, so you have everything you need. Everything is perfectly coordinated for a stylish and convenient lunch. It's large enough to hold multiple containers and is easy to clean. Say goodbye to messy lunch bags. It's versatile enough to use as a diaper bag or a work lunch bag. It keeps your essentials cool and accessible, no matter what your day holds. High-quality thermal insulation keeps your food at the perfect temperature all day long. Enjoy homemade meals wherever you go. It's designed with women in mind, making it the perfect gift for any woman in your life. It's the perfect blend of fashion and functionality. What we like. This lunch bag includes a tumbler and container, offering convenience and style. It's spacious enough for multiple containers. If you prefer a complete lunch set with matching containers and tumbler, this is perfect for you. What people say. Holds plenty of food. 2 pockets on either side for phone, keys, etc. Durable and pretty. Stays cold with ice pack and easy to wipe down. The containers are stellar, including clips on the lid to hold custom-made ice packs to chill one food, not all the food. This is not too small or too big, so works great for me. The side pockets are great for drinks. I'm able to fit all my items and zip it up. Number 1. Fit and Fresh Lunch Bag. This lunch bag comes with a handy salad container. It also has 2 bottle pockets and a secure zipper, making it both convenient and stylish. With its large size and stain-resistant material, it easily holds multiple containers. The wide opening makes packing and unpacking a breeze. It's perfect for work, but also great for moms, even use it as a diaper bag. It keeps everything cool and accessible. The quality thermal insulation keeps your food at the perfect temperature, whether you're at the office, the gym, or on a picnic. Enjoy homemade meals wherever you go. Created by women, for women, this stylish lunch bag makes a thoughtful gift. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function. What we like. It's lightweight yet spacious, perfect for carrying your lunch comfortably. It's also stylish and functional. If you need a lightweight but roomy lunch bag, this is the one for you. What people say. Holds plenty of food. 2 pockets on either side for phone, keys, etc. Durable and pretty. Stays cold with ice pack and easy to wipe down. The containers are stellar, including clips on the lid to hold custom-made ice packs to chill one food, not all the food. This is not too small or too big, so works great for me. The side pockets are great for drinks. I'm able to fit all my items and zip it up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.